Bonjour, welcome to another Kevin's English School's English Learning video. Today we talk about the pronunciation challenges of French speakers of English. Have you ever wondered why English pronunciation can be difficult for French speakers? As we delve into the world of linguistics, we'll explore common hurdles that French speakers often encounter when speaking English. From the elusive H sound to the tricky TH and R sounds, not forgetting the myriad of vowel sounds. But fret not. We're here to demystify these sounds, offering handy tips and tricks to overcome these pronunciation challenges. So buckle up and prepare to gain insights that will significantly improve your English pronunciation. One of the most common problems is the silent H in French, which often carries over into English. This seemingly minor detail can cause a great deal of confusion in communication. The H sound in English is crucial and often distinguishes one word from another. Take for instance the words hour and hour. In French, the H in hour is silent, making it sound similar to hour. But in English, we pronounce the H, emphasizing the difference between these two words. Here's a simple exercise to practice. Take a deep breath and as you exhale, try to make an H sound. It's almost like you're sighing with your mouth open. Practice this with words like house, happy, hope, and honor. Say them out loud, paying attention to the H at the beginning. Remember, in English, the H is not silent. Practice this and it will soon become second nature to you. Another hurdle for French speakers is the English TH sound. This sound, which is ubiquitous in English, can be a little tricky to master. It's a unique sound that doesn't exist in the French language. The TH sound comes in two varieties, voiced and unvoiced. The voiced TH is found in words like this, that, and the, where your vocal cords vibrate as you pronounce these words. The unvoiced TH, on the other hand, appears in words like think, three, and through, where your vocal cords remain silent. To produce the TH sound, you need to place your tongue between your teeth and blow air gently. Try saying think, three, the, and that aloud. Notice how your tongue and teeth work together to create the sound. Now, let's have a little practice. Repeat after me. The three thieves thought they thrived. With consistent practice, the TH sound will no longer be a stumbling block. The English R sound is notoriously difficult for French speakers. Let's dive into it. The R in English is softer and more relaxed than the guttural R sound in French. It's a bit like a purring cat, not a growling dog. Picture it this way. In English, the R sound is made by placing the tip of your tongue near the roof of your mouth without touching it. It's a subtle vibration, not a rough roll. Let's try an example. Repeat after me. Red rabbit runs rapidly. Did you notice the gentle R sounds? Now let's practice with a tongue twister. Robert's red roses really radiate romance. It's a bit tricky, but don't worry, practice makes perfect. So when you're practicing, remember to soften up those R sounds. It's less about rolling your R and more about letting it gently vibrate. Remember, the English R is less harsh and more relaxed than the French R. Keep practicing. Vowel sounds in English can be a minefield for French speakers. Let's dig in and unearth these linguistic challenges, shall we? Vowels in English are quite versatile, with each letter having more than one sound. For instance, the vowel A can be pronounced as in cat, care, or cake. This is different from French, where vowels generally have a single sound. This can lead to common mistakes such as pronouncing hate like hat, but don't worry, with practice you'll get the hang of it. Another tricky area is the English I sound, as in sit. French speakers often pronounce it like seat, which can lead to some amusing misunderstandings. To correct this, try to shorten your I sound. It's sit, not seat. The vowel U also deserves a mention. In English, it has two main sounds, as in cut and cute. French speakers tend to use the U sound from cute in both cases, which can lead to confusion. Remember, it's cut, not coot. Now let's try an exercise. Repeat after me. Cat, care, cake, then sit, seat, and finally cut, cute. Practice these sounds regularly and you'll notice the difference. So, as you see, English vowels might seem like a minefield, but with practice and patience, you'll be able to navigate it like a pro. Mastering these vowel sounds will greatly improve your English pronunciation. Let's recap the common pronunciation problems and their solutions. We kicked things off with the tricky H sound, didn't we? This silent letter in French can create a bit of a stumbling block when it comes to English pronunciation. But with a little practice, you'll soon be breathing life into your H's, making them as airy and light as a summer breeze. Remember the trick, it's all about releasing that breath as you pronounce the H sound. Next, we tackled the notorious TH sound. This one's a bit of a tongue twister, isn't it? It's not a sound that exists in the French language, so it can feel a bit strange at first. Just remember, it's all about the position of your tongue. Gently touching the upper teeth, not too hard, not too soft, like you're whispering a secret to them. Practice it in words like the, this, and that. Before you know it, you'll be threading TH through your sentences like a pro. Then we moved on to the robust R sound. It's not rolled as in French, it's more of a gentle purr in the back of your throat. Think about it as if you're softly growling like a friendly lion. Keep practicing words like right, rain, and road. Over time, your R's will roll right off your tongue. Lastly, we dove into the wonderful world of vowel sounds. English has a wider range of vowel sounds than French, which can be a bit daunting, but don't worry. With practice, you'll master them all. Remember to open your mouth wider for sounds like R and O, and keep it more closed for sounds like E and OO. What we've covered today are just the basics, the tip of the iceberg. There are many more sounds and nuances to discover in the English language. The key takeaway here is to practice, practice, and practice some more. It's okay to make mistakes. They're just stepping stones on the path to fluency. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep practicing these sounds and soon you'll sound like a native English speaker.